If y'all remember, I got an empty box from Walmart. And so they sent me another box. It says Beauty Box Spring, and hopefully it's a different version because I asked them to give me a different version because I didn't want two of the same. Well, anything was better than an empty box, so they listened to me and they sent me another box. So let's see what I got. If you don't know what this is, it's a bunch of samples, and it's supposedly what's inside is free and the shipping's $6.95. And it comes spring, summer, winter, and fall, or fall and winter. So you get this little thing that says kind of what you got. These things almost everybody gets, and these are alternate, and these are like, pretty much everybody gets these. You usually get about 5 things or so. Let's see, we got some vitamin E serum and vitamin E renewing moisturizer. So definite little sample sizes. What does it say about it? Oops, try to rise it up, that would help. I don't see it on here. It must be one of the surprise. Oh, there it is. Full size is $21.56 for 2 ounces. Whew. This is probably 1/10 of an ounce or something. Half 0.05 of an ounce. So that's less than half. It's 1/50th or something. Then I got, what is this? Curl Bounce. Is it a, yep, it is. It's a little bitty mascara. Y'all know I don't wear mascara because I rub my eyes too much and I end up with black streaks. So that's definitely going to go in a giveaway. Here is some Repair Bond Leave-In Hair Treatment. That is full size is $8.47 for 8.4 ounces, and this is 1 ounce, so about $1-ish worth. And here we have Pink Sugar Eau de Toilette, which means it's a perfume. I can't do perfumes. I'm allergic to pretty much all of them, so that'll go in a giveaway. And Neutrogena Hydrating Cleansing Gel. Definitely use that. Put that in my shower. And some shampoo and conditioner. Nexxus. I just bought some Nexxus. Now I have some more Nexxus. This is color. It's for color treated hair, which mine isn't, but I'm sure it'll still be nice. It's the shampoo and the conditioner. And they are, how much ounces? Three ounces? Yeah, these would be a good travel size. So 3 ounces. And the full size is 16.5 ounces, and it's $16. So it's about $1 an ounce. So these are each worth about $3. So there's your $6 that you spent on the box right there, not counting all these other goodies I got. Little sample-y things. So I thought this was a pretty good box. I like it better than my other one. The other one I didn't like hardly anything in it. This one, about the only thing I don't like is the mascara. But the rest of it I will definitely keep and use. So I was happy with this box. And they were pretty good about getting me another one pretty quickly. So they didn't answer me back saying they were working on it or anything. It just sort of showed up on my doorstep. So that is it. A little short video. If you're interested in all the drama in my life, stay tuned to the next short video I'm gonna put up behind this one. There's some trauma going on. I will talk to y'all again real soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.